You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word in English? It's also a name from the Bible. In English, it means a person who is fully developed but has not grown to normal height. Nain is how it's said. It's a word from French. Originally in French it's said as nain, but in English, nain. Alright, so let's break it down. Ne-in. Stress on the first syllable. Nain. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.